So what are we looking for? Pine straw. So pretty.
Sleep as much as predators do.
Noxious and nature doesn't care.
It's probably used to people.
It probably. Oh, look at his little tail. There he goes.
Anyway.
Just prancing. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute.
But yeah, it looks like it'll circle back to the road.
Okay. Bird. So cute. Little bird.
Made a little tweet.
There he is. I am about to run some more errands with my mom, but first I wanted to try this recipe I found for a homemade pink drink because I love the pink drink, but my dog just came in. Hi Hudson, do you want to come help me make a pink drink? Yeah? You help me make pink drink? Yeah. He thinks something's happening with him. It's not. Anyway, so the ingredients are coconut milk, white crayon, strawberry juice. I bought some freeze-dried strawberries as well, so I'm gonna grab those and then we'll get concocting. Okay, I didn't bother to bring my tripod downstairs, so we're working with what we got, but here are all of our ingredients. So I bought this cup yesterday at Target. I think I had that footage in this vlog. And basically, going to grab some ice. That took a minute, but I have ice. And then I've heard you want to do mostly white crayon strawberry juice and then a little bit of coconut milk. It smells good. Not gonna add too much. We can always add more of it if we need some. And then I'm gonna add like a handful of strawberries. Okay. Then I'm going to close this up, give it a shake. The moment of truth. Wow. That's pretty impressive. I think I want a little bit more coconut milk. It doesn't taste exactly like the pink drink. I just had one yesterday, so I feel like it's pretty fresh in my brain. That's still really good. Let's go run some errands. Hi guys, so my mom and I had to go to another Home Depot. She's been looking for pine straw and we bought some at one yesterday and she needed some more today. There's totally people walking by and the window is rolled down. Anyway, and so I'm just waiting in the car because she just needed to run in real quick. And if I try and go in, I'll get distracted looking at plants that I, one, can't afford, and two, will probably kill if I try and take care of them. So I'm chilling in the car with my pink drink, and it's really growing on me. I think it helped once I let the strawberries, the freeze-dried strawberries, kind of sit in there and like marinate, because it was just missing that like signature strawberry flavor that comes in the pink drink from like the strawberry acai refresher. So I think I'm going to keep giving this a try for how cheap it is. I think it's really worth it.
I might not be able to find that, but still, no luck.
Okay. We are back at another fabric store. I feel like I'm at Mood from Project Runway. This looks like the fabric from Lizzie McGuire.